Their dedication and hard work have brought them here today, ready to shine and show the world what they are made of. As they step into the limelight, let's greet them with a thunderous applause and cheers. In a powerful showcase of women's participation, the four blocks, dressed as administrators, entrepreneurs, footballers, and astronauts, represent the diverse roles women excel in today. From leadership and innovation to athleticism and exploration, these portrayals highlight the invaluable contribution of women across various fields, underscoring the important role in shaping our progressive world.
You're off to a great start, champions. Keep up with your energy. Each step speaks about your commitment to excellence. Amazingly spectacular.
In a dynamic era marked by progress and inclusivity, a stirring movement has taken root within the educational institutions worldwide. The adoption of the block formation by the students symbolizes a collective stride towards gender equality and empowerment. As the pulse of the societal change quickens, The innovative approach not only starts a new chapter in student activism but also underscores a resolute commitment to propelling girls forward onto a path of success. Students not only challenge entrenched biases but also cultivate a culture of empowerment and mutual respect. The significance of these blocks extend beyond its symbolic resonance. It epitomizes the essence of advancement and defines our inclusive era. Through this visual expression, the students declare boldly that the future belongs to us.
Well done, seniors. You have us vibing with your beats.
Together, we make a difference. Let's cheer on our participants and lift their spirits. The graph depicts women's progress in various fields and serves as a testament to the transformative journey women have embarked upon over the years. In tandem with educational achievements, the graph reveals a progressive trend in women's workforce participation, whether in corporate boardrooms, political areas, defense services, healthcare, social activism, or entrepreneurial ventures. Ramniites are craving out spaces of influence and are driving such positive changes.
Commendable job. Hype them up with a deafening round of applause, dear audience.
The graph celebrates the achievements of ex-Ramniites, acknowledges ongoing struggles, and underscores the collective journey towards empowerment. day of unity and admiration. The students are crafting the school's monogram to pay tribute to the remarkable achievements of our former Ramnites. These elaborated arrangements, carefully organized on the school grounds, serve as living monuments to the enduring spirit and unparalleled success of women who have walked the halls of these esteemed institutions.
Honorable C note.
As the students gather, they construct a framework of inspiration, showcasing the diverse talents and accomplishments of female trendsetters. With this aligned formation, they send a resounding message of solidarity and support to the current and future students, fostering a sense of belonging and pride within the school's community. This visual representation radiates as a beacon of hope, inspiring communities far and wide. It symbolizes the unwavering pursuit of achievement, showing the lasting impact of women who have broken barriers and paved their way. As the girls stand united in their tribute to the achievements of former students, they represent progress and endless possibilities.
That was a bombastic performance. Thank you for all your hard work behind